Hosting website on Hostinger is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Here's my website running on my local computer. I do open index.com and you can see its interface. And now if you want to host your website on hostinger.com, first of all you have to open Chrome and search Hostinger. Then click on the hosting platform made for you, go online with Hostinger, and then you have to do login here. Enter your email and password and click on login button. It may take several seconds to open, depends upon your internet speed. Click on Manage button which is in front of Premium Web Hosting. After that, new window will be open. Select your website name as I do. Then click on File Manager and then you have to click on Public HTML folder. And now you have to open folder on local computer where all website files are saved. You have to select all files and then drag and drop these files on website. After that your files will start uploading. It may take several seconds. And now I search sargotatimes.com to show you that my website is successfully hosted. And it's done. So in this way you can host your website on Hostinger.